Okay, hello. Today I will present about insect collection for the subject AGR 464, which is crop management. First of all, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Visabandan Eric. My student ID is 2024754399, and I'm from class 8240B. First of all, this is the content for my slide in this video, which is I have introduction about the insects that I choose for this experiment and their common name for the insects. Second, tool and equipment that I use to catch the insect for this experiment. Third, procedure how to catch the insects, and conclusion that I get from this experiment, which is it have benefit for me or not. Okay, first of all, the insect that I chose for this experiment is cricket, which is it easy to get anywhere in any in everywhere, and the reason I choose it because it's easy to explain about this insect. Okay, first of all, introduction about this insect, which is cricket, are small insect that are part of larger group called the Orthoptera and the family Grylidae. Their chirping sound is what sets them apart from all other because it is only produced by male when they rub their wings together. These creatures serve as hunters or hunted depending on need in system. This creature can be found almost everywhere, including grassland, forests, as well as big town suburbs. In many cases, they have spiritual meaning, especially if it brings fortune and success. Okay, this is the tool and equipment that I use to catch this insect, which is collecting net to catch it. Killing ninja is make me easy to kill the cricket without damage their body, and display box to display the insects that our group catch. And this is the process of the pin and labeling the insect. The reason why we need to pin it because to make sure the insect will not move, and the reason why we need to labeling it because we will know the common name and their original name for this for the insect that we chose, which is it can give the information for us. And this is the process of put the insect into the display box, and as you guys can see, our group catch a lot of insects, which is we have dragonfly, butterfly, cricket, and other insect. The reason why we need to arrange it because we already put there in their family group of the family insects, which is we can know their original name and common name easily. Okay, for the conclusion that I get from this experiment, which is first I learned about ecosystem health. The diversity and number of insects together can provide information about the general health of the ecosystem. High diversity usually suggests a balanced and healthy environment. Second, pest identification, which is identifying the principal insect pest damaging crop, enable the creation of focused pest management measure, which help to reduce crop damage and boost yield. And third, role of beneficial insect. Recognizing beneficial insect in the collection underline their significance in natural pest control and pollination, underlining the need of protecting this species for long-term crop management. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.